Hey everyone! Welcome back to USA Fitness Fusion. Today, we're diving into one of the most important parts of any fitness routine, mobility drills for injury prevention. No matter your fitness level or goals, having good mobility can be a game changer for staying healthy and moving pain-free. We'll go over the best mobility exercises that anyone can add to their routine for better flexibility, range of motion, and stability. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Drill 1. Hip Flexor Stretch. Let's start with the hip flexor stretch. Tight hip flexors can lead to a lot of lower back pain and restrict your range of motion, especially if you sit a lot. To do this stretch, kneel on one knee, push your hips forward slightly. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. This is great for warming up the hips and releasing any tightness. Drill 2. Cat-cow stretch for spine mobility. Next up is the cat-cow stretch, a great drill for spinal mobility and core stability. Start on your hands and knees, arch your back by looking up. This is the cow position, then round your back as you look down towards your belly. This is the cat position. This drill helps relieve back tension and warms up the spine for any movement. Drill 3. Shoulder pass-throughs. Shoulder pass-throughs are amazing for shoulder flexibility. Grab a stick or resistance band and hold it out in front of you. Slowly raise it overhead and back as far as you can comfortably go, then return to the starting position. This movement is excellent for improving shoulder mobility and opening up the chest key for preventing shoulder injuries. Drill 4. Ankle circles for ankle mobility. Ankle circles may seem simple, but they're essential for ankle mobility and balance. Sit down or stand and extend one leg, moving your ankle in slow, controlled circles. This drill strengthens and loosens the ankle joint, making it more resilient to twists and sprains, perfect for runners and anyone on their feet a lot. And that's a wrap. These mobility drills are easy to add to your routine and can make a big difference in preventing injuries and improving overall movement. Give them a try and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching USA Fitness Fusion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more tips to keep you fit, flexible, and injury-free.